Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Royal Air Maroc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on this menu icon when you are at your home page in the upper left corner, and then click on the this fifth icon, flight status. Here you should select your departure point, and after that you should select the destination. Click on the verify button down below, and here you will be able to see the options. So select from a date that you can see here, and then you will be able to check out the flight status of your selected flight. And you can also check it out by the flight number as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.